I will show you how to insert a game in Alexia. So I imagine I'm in Taller and I want to insert this game from Wordwall. I don't know, this one about prepositions. I have two options. I can insert it as a URL. That's the easiest way. All I have to do is click here on the, at the top, and I just with Control Copy, I copy the URL, and then I go here and I can use this módulo rápido or this way, but in any of the two cases I'm going to choose URL, and I will have to give a name, prepositions game, and I just with Control V or Control Paste, I click it, I stick it, and it will look like this, which is not very very attractive. Kids click there. Yes, by clicking here they will open a new page and they can play there. If I don't like this because it's not attractive what they see, there is another option. I click here, módulo rápido, and I'm going to choose etiqueta. All right. Also, I can choose añadir una actividad recurso and click etiqueta there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to embed the game here. So when I am in the game, I'm going to choose compartir, obtener vínculo, and I'm not going to choose the URL. I'm going to choose this one, incrustar in your website. All right. And I'm going to choose, let me see if I can put it in English. There, better. I'm going to choose English, and I'm going to copy this long link I have here. By clicking here, it is copied. Then I go back to Alexia, and as I said, I'm going to choose etiqueta, and I'm going to choose this symbol here, this one. I click there, and I have to choose the one that says origen. You see, of these three tabs, I choose origen, I erase what it is here, and I paste my long frame. I will see it like this yellow thing. I won't be able to see it on this step, but then when I click guardar cambios y mostrar, I will see it on the main page. You see? And children, just by clicking here, they start playing the game. All right? So this is another option that is more attractive to the kids. Okay? That's the way. All right. Okay? Well, that's all.